Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Creator. First, begin by signing up for an account or logging into your existing one. Once inside, you will find the dashboard, which is your central hub for all projects. Here, you can start a new application from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-built templates to accelerate your development process. This initial step sets the foundation for your custom application journey. Next, let's dive into building your first application. From the dashboard, select New Application and give it a meaningful name. You'll then enter the Builder interface, where you can drag and drop elements like forms, reports, and pages onto your canvas. Think about the data you need to collect and display. For instance, a simple contact management app might need fields for names, email addresses, and phone numbers. This visual approach makes app creation intuitive. Now, let's add some intelligence to your application by automating workflows. Zoho Creator allows you to define actions that happen automatically based on specific events. For example, when a new record is submitted, you can trigger an email notification or update another part of your database. For more complex logic, you can use Deluge, Zoho's powerful scripting language, to customize behavior. This automation saves significant time and reduces manual effort. Finally, it's time to deploy and share your completed application. Once you are satisfied with your creation, you can publish it, making it available to your intended users. Zoho Creator provides robust options for managing user access and permissions, ensuring data security. You can share your application through a direct link or embed it into your website. Remember to gather feedback and iterate, continuously improving your application based on user needs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.